Looking for new construction? Look no further. This spectacular gut and add-on rehab, a block and a half from Winnemac Park, is 99% new construction. What's not to love in this wide-open floor plan that won't make you feel like you're squeezed in? How about this kitchen, complete with 42 inches custom cabinets, quartz counters, and an island with a breakfast bar, family space, flowing seamlessly into the living dining combo, with hardwood flooring and recessed lighting galore. We've added a second story, also with hardwood throughout, boasting a beautiful master suite with a double sink vanity and 2 west eye closets. There are 2 additional bedrooms, both with west eye closets, and another full bath with double vanity. Visit the family room in the lower level, which also has a 4th bedroom, another full bath, and tons of storage that will stay dry with a new flood control and water barrier. Did I mention the dual HVACs or the new 2-car garage? You won't believe it. Schedule your showing today.